Hi everyone, this video is very important because in this video I'll tell you everything that I have learned about manifestation, mindfulness and healing, and what are the 3 steps and the only 3 steps that you need to manifest anything in your life. And many people will not talk about it, but today I'll tell you all these secrets. So, when we talk about manifestation, mindfulness, and anything, the most important part is your belief. And to strengthen your belief, 3 things are very important. First is mindset. So, why do we do this affirmation exercise? Now, if you have some negative affirmation, you try to convert it into positive affirmation. This is something that we do to strengthen our belief. If I cannot believe in something, I cannot achieve it. So to achieve anything, you need to have a strong belief. And to have strong belief, there are many ways of doing it. You can create positive affirmation. You can give yourself reason. You can find examples like, have you heard about 5 whys? If you think I can achieve it, write 5 whys, why you can achieve it. Like first thing could be, because others have done it, so why can't I? So you have to give as many reasons as you can to yourself so that you can believe it. Why I am telling you this? Because simply affirmation is not enough. When you say something positive, your unconscious mind thinks lot of counter and negative intentions. If you are saying, okay, I'll achieve this, your mind will be like, oh, can I really do this? I think my life is perfect. Will people listen to me? Will I be able to attract people? There are lot of counter intentions that are running in our subconscious mind, and it cannot heal in 1 minute, 1 hour or 1 day. It takes lot of effort, and that is why in all these courses you do lot of inner work, and that is simply to strengthen your belief, and it takes time. You have to, for one belief to convert, you have to give your brain lot of examples ki why it can happen, and you have to continue doing it so that your brain starts believing it. So that is first thing, mindset. Second thing is healing. Now, why is healing important? So whatever belief that we have from childhood, that is a very strong belief. For example, and it can be positive or negative belief. So for example, if my positive belief is everything good will happen with me and God will always support me. Now, in any situation that I face, this belief will always come to me, and I'm like, I know this will pass and this is happening for good because God has some good plans for me. And those beliefs are very difficult to change. This is a good belief, but then there can be negative beliefs also, that I never get successful in my career. At least in our generation, when we were child, our parents always told us, you have to get good job, but then they never told us that you have to build your own business or pursue your passion. So those are the beliefs that we have, that if let's say my job is the only source of income, and if I'm not doing this, what else can I do? So that's why we do healing. When you identify a situation and these are your limiting beliefs, you try to change that. And emotions also play an important role. If you so for example, if you are frustrated, angry or depressed, can you think positive? No, right? So to think positive, you have to let go of all the past traumas and anything that is holding you back. And that's why healing is very important. If you are not doing healing and simply doing affirmation, you won't be able to maintain that high of a vibration. And third thing is intention. So I have watched a couple of videos, there has been rice experiment, water experiment, whatnot. But what we have observed is, if you take an object, simply take water and say, I love you, say positive things to it. Or if you take an object and say negative things to it, the internal structure of both these changes. There is a village where if people have to cut a tree, they don't cut it, they just curse the tree for months and years, and the tree would automatically, all the leaves would dry and everything. So the power of words is huge, and make sure that everything that you are doing or everywhere you are, don't say negative to anything, any object. And this is a great tool to use. Like, I can just have water and I can drink it, or I can just say, I love you, I'm healthy, I'm lucky, my life is beautiful, and I can drink it. Now this water is going inside me and merging with me. And what if I said this water positive words? It has some effect on the water, and that will also do positive to me. So these are the 3 things, and this is the gist all of it. Like in any class that you take, in anything that you do, you will just be practicing this, and this takes a lot of time. So just to recall, the three things are strengthening your belief mindset, second is healing all the negative emotion, and third is set intentions. I hope it was helpful. If you liked it, comment below.